the edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.
Standard 10, Question 1, Language Study, marks, Part 2 of 5. Question 1a. Do as directed. 8 marks. First, complete the words by using correct letters. 2 marks. Answer: dream, blood, group, market. Second, put the following words in an alphabetical order. 2 marks. Answer: first, captain, enemy, guns, soldier. Second, wash, window, wonder, wound. Third, punctuate the following sentences. 2 marks. Answer: first, oh, what a wonderful shot, boys shouted. Second, New York is a big city in America, he said. Four, make 4 words, minimum of 3 letters each, using the letters in the given word. 2 marks. Organization. Answer: organ, nation, gain, ration. Fifth, write the related words as shown in the example. 2 marks. True, story. Answer: true, story, friend, follower, guide, news. Sixth, complete the word chains of verbs. Add 4 words, each beginning with the last letter of the previous word. 2 marks. Exhaust. Answer: take, earn, note, eat. Question 1b. Do as directed. 2 marks. A. Make a meaningful sentence of your own using the given phrase. 1 mark. To be surprised. Answer: I was surprised to see a cat chasing the big dog. B. Add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. This is the house. Answer: this is the house where I was born. Second, add a prefix or suffix to the following words to make new words. 2 words. A, B,